Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very nice, well-known stitch. It's shells and it is simple shells and they are placed one over the other and it's a 2-row repeat pattern. This swatch I have worked with light pink hobby store premium acrylic Aran yarn, which is anti-pill and its color code is 2035. This stitch requires a multiple of 3 plus 2 chains as the foundation chains. So I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 5 multiples of 3 plus 2, 17 chains. So to begin the pattern, first row is not a repeat row but is a base row. So in the next chain from the hook, that second chain from the hook, make a single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 and make a single crochet in the next, again chain 3, skip 2 and single crochet in the next, continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this row. That is chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 and single crochet in the next. This is a repeat for this first row. I've come to the end of row 1, chain 3, we are left with 3 stitches, 3 chains rather, and place the last SA in the last chain after skipping 2 chains. You can chain 3 and turn, or turn and make a DC, that is a standing DC as I always do. And one more DC in the same stitch, same SC. Now SC in chain 3 space and 3 DC in the next SC. So this is your pattern repeat. SC in chain 3 space, 3 DCs in the SC. So the shells are developing here. So SC in chain 3 space, 3 DCs in the next chain space. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. Come to the end of the row here. So I placed my SC in chain 3 loop, last chain 3 loop. Now place 2 DCs in the very first SC. Chain 1 and turn. Place an SC here in the very first stitch. Chain 3 and place an SC in the middle DC of the 3 DC shell. Chain 3, SC in the middle DC of the chain 3 shell. So continue this till the end. I have come to the end of the row here. So now chain 3, I have chained 3 and place a single crochet in the very last stitch. Now you have the option of chaining 3 and turning, or just turn and place 2 DC in the very first stitch, that is your SC. Rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeat rows. It's a very simple one. It works great for your blankets and all. And any summer garment too. Then SC in the chain 3 space and 3 double crochets in SC. So your shells, these simple shells, get stacked one above the other. Once I complete this row, you will it will be clearer. If you want a wavy effect in the shells, you can use multiple level stitches here in the shell area. Like when you're doing the shell, you can have DC, treble and DC instead of 3 DCs. That will also work great. I have a very delicate hold on my hook as well as my yarn. That's why it sometimes slips from my hand. And place 2 DCs in the very last stitch here. So this is how the shells get placed one above the other. The simple shells pattern is this. It has beautiful texture, and it has the right side and the wrong side. The chain side is the wrong side and the 3DC shell side is the right side. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the stitch. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the new videos that we upload every day. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.